Welcome on board the ELENI. My name is Leonardo Marconi and I'm the captain. I am on board since 2008 and I'm a captain of this vessel since 2012. ELENI was a full displacement vessel. It was built in Italy, CBI Navi, in 2004 and was refit in 2018. ELENI was built with the concept of very low noise and vibration, and she obtained the comfort class from Marina right after build. I'm happy to show you around the vessel and I hope you will like. Starting from this deck, main deck aft, offer a nice and spacious area. The round table is fit comfortably 6 person and is expandable to fit up to 10 guests. So now if you follow me, I'll show you inside. The main salon area offers a nice open space with a nice comfortable sitting on one of the 3 couches. The windows in the salon are fully openable to enjoy a fresh breeze instead of the regular air conditioning. We have a pop-up TV that pop up at needs, connected to the freshly renewed Sonos system. Moving forward, we encounter the inside dining area. In case weather is unpleasant outside, give the possibility to enjoy a nice dine inside. The table is fully expandable and can accommodate easily 10 guests. So follow me to the next room. The galley on board ELENI has all the appliances needed for our chef to create all of your favorite dishes. On board ELENI, we are able to store food and supplies for over a week at sea. Moving forward from the main salon, we have a corridor which serves different areas. The galley and crew area, the stairways that leads to the lower deck accommodation, a stairways that leads to the upper salon, and moving forward, the master stateroom. So this is the master cabin. The cabin offers a nice spacious king-size bed, fully openable window, natural light, the nice flat 55-inch screen TV, freshly updated surround system, and the cabin has its own en-suite. The master bathroom has a nice large countertop in Italian marble as the floor. The windows is openable and a nice custom fit jacuzzi. Coming into the lower deck, right at the bottom of the stairs, we find 2 identical twin cabins. Both are equipped with single beds, fold-down TV, wardrobe, and both with their en-suites. A small corridor separates the single cabins from the VIP cabins. Both VIP cabins are equipped with a large king-size bed, fold-down TV, large wardrobe, and their own en-suite. All the guest TVs are connected to our onboard entertaining systems for you to enjoy your movies, TV series, or just to enjoy some music. And now follow me, take the stairways up to the upper salon. So this is the upper salon. The area is equipped on starboard side with a day head, which is accessible from outside or from inside. On the port side, we have a pantry. The salon has a nice, wide, comfortable couch, armchair, and matching poof. The salon is a nice area to enjoy a nice drink or watch a movie on our 65-inch pop-up TV. Right out of the upper salon, the door opens up completely to give the idea of the continuous open space. It opens up to an open deck with a large custom-made table which can fit up to 12 guests. The deck is provided with the 3 sun chairs and offer plenty of possibility for relaxing, chilling, like listening to some music. The deck is fully coverable with an awning for the guest who likes to have some shades. Behind the wheelhouse on ELENI, there is a small pantry for our cheese stew to prepare you a nice cup of coffee, a nice tea, or one of our famous drinks. This is the wheelhouse. This is where I steer and control the vessel. It's fully equipped with GPSs, VHF, engine controls, stabilizers, plotter, radar, and full active system which allow us to sail around without paper charts. ELENI has a range of roughly 5,000 miles at 10 knots cruising speed, and can take you nearly everywhere. We've been throughout the whole Mediterranean with this vessel. We've been to Greece, Balearic Island, Sicily, Sardinia, basically throughout, entirely Mediterranean Sea. Guests like to enjoy the view from here and like to stay here for a chat or for just spending some time here on the couch keeping company. Our stairways from the upper deck lead us to the sun deck. This deck is spacious and offer a custom-made sun pads in front of the mast, where many guests can accommodate at the same time. And the deck is also provided with three sun beds in the aft part, and we have a speaker like in every other open deck of the vessel. The speakers are connected to our Sonos system and entertaining system, and allow you to listen to your favorite playlist throughout the vessel. As per water toys, ELENI is packed with kayaks, stand-up paddleboards, water scooter, a large naughty buoy, and our 10-meter chase tender can easily take our guests to shore, to the beach, or can be used to tow one of the inflatable for some fun activities, water skiing or wakeboarding. Together with my trusted team on board ELENI, we try to look after the boat at our best, and we like to welcome every guest and try to accommodate all of their needs. We hope you enjoy the vessel, we hope you enjoy the tour, and we're really looking forward to welcome you on board in person. We hope you enjoy. Thank you and goodbye.